In this video, I'm going to show you how to print selected worksheets. So a worksheet, I've got opened a file called 03 Contoso Potluck Departments. It comes from lesson 3. If you notice at the bottom, once you open it, you notice at the bottom we have multiple tabs. These are separate worksheets. The whole thing is called a workbook, and these are separate worksheets. And right now, HR should be the one that is selected. If we go to Backstage to print, or we can Control P, so let's use a shortcut on our keyboard, Control plus P, you'll notice that by default in the settings it says Print Active Sheets. Okay, so it's going to print one sheet. This is the only one. It says 1 out of 1. So if we hit Escape or hit back, we can use our Control key. We go down here, and maybe we want to actually print HR and also Finance. So Control, click on Finance, and you should have both of these selected. Operations is not selected. Now let's go back to File, Print, Print Active Sheets, and down here it should say 1 of 2. So you've got 2 different sheets that you're going to be printing. One says Finance, this is the second one. The first one says HR. And that's how you would print more than one worksheet at a time out of your workbook.